The DD dashboard is accessed via the slide sheet and provides an interface containing tools a directional driller can utilise while drilling a well, either locally on the rig or remotely from an RTOC. The DD dashboard will automatically update based upon the survey record, real-time widths data being received, and the slide sheet being set to auto-populate. To access the slide sheet, the user should open up a survey and then right-clicking on the actual wellbore can select Reporting and then Slide Sheet. Once the slide sheet's open, the user can set the slide sheet to auto-populate by selecting either this green button here, or within the settings, you can select Auto-Populate Slide Sheet. At this point, the slide sheet will begin to automatically populate based on the widths feed. To access the DD dashboard, the user can then select this icon. My DD dashboard's already open, so I'm selected from there. The DD dashboard is made up of several different parts which, utilised together, will help the DD while the well is being drilled. In the top left hand corner we have a tool face rows. Within the tool face rows we have all the tool faces which are being received via widths. We also have the bit projection which is updated in real time on the tool face rows. Below the tool face rows we have our real-time anti-collision. So in this portion it will monitor the principal plan, any offset wells, and also the lease line, giving us the centre to centre distances, separation factors and other relevant information. Below there we now have the last 4 surveys that have been taken, and for each of these it will show us the slide scene and the motor yield based on what we have in our slide sheet. We also have our bit projection, which is updated in real time based on the widths feed which is coming in and populating the slide sheet. On the top right hand side of the dialog we have a 3D plot which shows us our survey, our principal plan and our offset wells. This gives us an indication of the up, down, left, right, centre to centre distance away from our principal plan, and we can also see on the plot rotation and sliding sections are detailed in red and green. Down on the bottom right hand side we also have a drilling parameters traces. So these are coming directly from our widths feed and they detail RPM, pump pressure, weight on bit, block position, torque, ROP, hook load, flow rate and differential pressure. As long as these are being received on the correct channels, they will plot on here. And over on the bottom right hand side we have some additional information regarding where we are in the hole depth, bit depth, ROP, pump pressure, flow rate, hook load, block position, survey offset, what is our current rig state, so are we sliding, are we rotating, are we tripping out of hole,